Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you good in everything, especially in this Ramadan. Talking about Ramadan, I think there are so many kinds of food we can get in everything in everywhere. So, what is your favorite in Ramadan? Talking about favorite food in Ramadan, I have a favorite food in Ramadan. It is Onde Onde, or Japanese call it klepon. So in this occasion, I want to share you about the steps how to make Onde Onde. Before we are going to steps, I want to tell you about the ingredients that we need for making Onde Onde. The first ingredients is 250 grams of glutinous rice flour, and then 50 grams rice flour, and then 1350 ml mineral water. It weight pandan leaves. I think you know that pandan leaves. And then a spoon of salt, coconut fruit, grated, then steam. And then equate brown sugar, smooth coat. And the last ingredient is 3 spoons of sugar. Okay, now we are going to the steps. The process of making Onde Onde has many 4 steps. And the first steps, you should prepare a clean container to knead the mixture. And the second step, pandan leaves that have been cleaned, then blended with 200 ml to be used as natural coloring. Set it aside. And the third step, add glutinous rice flour and salt. Stir until perfectly mixed. Pour little by little water coloring. Pour while continuing to stir. Then pour little by little while 150 ml mineral water. Pour while continuing to stir. If the mixture is thick enough, it doesn't need to add water. Stir until the mixture reaches the right thickness to then be formed and filled with brown sugar. So, now we are going to the fourth step. And this is the last step in making Onde Onde. In the fourth steps, there are so many activities that we should. First, take a little mixture, flatten it, and give a little brown sugar that has been cooked before. It doesn't need to be too much so that later when boiled it doesn't spill out. And next, the shape of the duck becomes ball. Then repeat points 1 and 2 until the duck runs out. And then boil 1 liter of water, wait until boiling. After the water boiling, enter the Onde Onde that has been formed. Wait until the Onde Onde floats. While waiting for the Onde Onde to mature, prepare the grated coconut. Mix the grated coconut with sugar and salt to taste. Set it aside. And then, after redoing it, drain the Onde Onde that has floated. Then roll or sprinkle the Onde Onde with grated coconut. So, I think this is the last thing we said we should do in making Onde Onde. So, if you have finished the step, I think Onde Onde is ready to be served. It is better to eat while it's still warm. How do you think? The process of making Onde Onde is so easy, isn't it? So you can do it by yourself. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.